Welcome to Math 126. In this short video, I'm going to just go over what you'll be identifying in Blackboard. The first thing you'll be doing is getting into the Getting Started folder here. So you'll open that folder up to start with. So let's do that. So Getting Started folder, there will be a greeting. You'll find the syllabus, and then there will be a video concerning the Teaching Learning Center, as they will be able to help you as well. So the Getting Started folder will kind of get you started here. Again, the syllabus is very important. There'll be a little quiz as well on that. So in the discussion board, you'll see that there's going to be two quizzes: the text me quiz and the syllabus quiz. So if you open those up, they'll kind of explain what's required there. Notice that they do have some due dates, and they also have their point values here are listed. If I go back to the content, you'll find all your homework assignments will be here. So My Lab Math All Assignments is where you'll actually do your homework. The My Lab Gradebook is where you'll look at your grades to see what you have and what you don't have, what's missing. And then if you need an ebook, you can use this link here. It'll open up to the actual book if you like to use the textbook. So you can purchase guided notes in the bookstore to help you kind of keep up with notes. Unit 1, again, you could do the guided notes here, or again, you could just purchase them at the bookstore. They're probably like $13 for the whole binder. So you can use those to take notes for the class. So each week, material will open up. So notice that week 1 starts January 13th to the 19th. So you'll start to see materials open up there. So notice how I have videos going over the different sections that are required in the first week. The first week gets kind of tough because there's a lot of review materials. So this is why you're taking, this is actually considered a 5-hour course, not a 3-hour course, is there are some extra work areas. The very first chapter has a lot of extra work that would not normally be taught in just a traditional Math 126 class. But since this has a lab, a lot of your material here would be material that is going to be required to kind of get caught up on some of the basics. So I wouldn't cut yourself short on these topics because these are a lot of foundational concepts moving forward. So if you're kind of weak at math, this can kind of get you revitalized in some of your weaknesses. So that's where you'll find videos that will kind of walk you through a lot of the core content. So you don't have to necessarily read a book. You can also watch videos that are recorded by me. So notice how there's going to be 4 units: Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. Those would be the 4 units. Notice in Unit 4, it's actually going to be the final exam as well, and it's going to be comprehensive over all the units. So it's imperative that you look at the materials inside these modules. And again, if I click on Unit 4, notice how it kind of breaks things down. Something that's also kind of nice is if I open up the finals week, you can print out a walkthrough. So if you want a review of what's on the final, if you print out the walkthrough, you could then build notes on the walkthrough watching these videos. And these videos will prepare you for the final, and you should not have as much trouble with the final if you prepare for it. Okay. So it's all about preparation for a lot of this class. So that's kind of the the initial start of all this. Again, getting started is where the syllabus is going to be located at. My Lab Math All Assignments is where you'll find all your homework and tests. My Lab Gradebook will provide your accurate grade. And then if you need a textbook, the e-textbook can be located here. And then all support materials are inside these modules here. So you'll start with Unit 1 and work you through the weeks ahead. So each week, new material will open up. It won't all open up at once. So again, be sure to read your syllabus as it has a lot of pertinent information there. And I'll stop with that.